Every day starts here. Work, ideas, deadlines, and today a fresh setup. A good setup won't do the work for you, but it definitely makes you want to sit down and start. As a university student, I didn't have much funds with me, so I started with the bare minimum things. So let's see how it ends off. As the desk provided to me was very narrow, so I needed to end up buying a desk stand. It came up with these screws. It was a DIY setup which you can do easily within a minute. Just place the bar and tighten the screws. I placed the monitorizer at the edge of my desk. Every setup needs lots of connections, so I end up buying a few extension cords. I used some double-sided tape and pasted it on the edge of my desk. Cluttered wire makes a very big mess, so I use some Velcro straps to tie up the cables. Also use some cable clips to keep the cables on the place. As I was not having a hammer, so I end up using a stone. The monitor I'm using for this desk is actually a 3 years old monitor I already had. It's an Acer EKO series 24 inches monitor. I placed that monitor on the riser. The monitor is being powered by my laptop, so I also needed a laptop stand which I placed just at the side of the monitor and cabled it on. I also used a USB hub to connect all the cables. I had an iPad 11 Gen which I also use as an external monitor, so I placed that on an iPad stand. Along with that, I used the HP wireless BT keyboard and Amazon Basics Bluetooth mouse. Then after that, I needed a focus light for my setup, but when I was searching online, it was too expensive. So I thought, why not to make it on my own. I had some DIY with some wooden boards. I drilled it on and nailed it on the particular weight. I also added some counterweight so it doesn't fall back. Also, the light I am using is a night bulb light. I'm also adding the picture of it. I don't know what it's called. I added this with some wires and a cable clip over it, and it doesn't look bad. It's actually doing the work which I wanted.